Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this is a very biggest breaking news. Accenture Off-Campus Drive 2023 is started and it is officially for associate software engineer role. I applied for this hiring and now I got the mail that congratulations, you have moved ahead in our recruitment process. As you can see on my screen that I received this mail on 8:27 p.m. So this is one of the best hiring and this is officially for the associate software engineer role. If you are new to our channel, please like and share the video with your friends. I will make all the video that is related to each and every important update for this hiring. Let's start the video. When you go to Accenture careers portal, there are so many hiring, but when you click on associate software engineer, now the eligibility is changed. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC and MSc 22 and 23 batch can easily apply for this opportunity. This is not a foreign language hiring because the foreign language hiring is different and it is officially for the associate engineer role. Okay, so I applied for this hiring and got the mail that is related. Do not reply from login credential for your profile. Hi Lokesh Bagora, congratulations your account, but I already used this ID, that's why I got the mail on my new email ID. Hi Lokesh Bagora, thank you for submitting your application. We appreciate your eagerness to pursue a career at Accenture. However, as we received an overwhelming response from applicants, our recruitment process may longer than usual. Be assured your application will be reviewed and we will inform you as next step as early as possible. So most probably chances is they open the hiring and there is no direct rejection. Okay, if you are eligible, you can get the opportunity. In the second part, I will discuss all the updates that is related to this hiring. First of all, you have to complete the Accenture registration. Okay, you have to fill all your details. Like as you can see on my screen that I already registered for this opportunity. So basically this type of screen is show like registration is already done. But when I open in the another mode, so basically you have to click on apply now, and if you have already an account on Accenture careers portal with any email ID, don't you can direct login. Otherwise, if you have no email ID from on the Accenture portal, you have to select this type. When you click on associate software engineer, you can see that as the below mentioned, what about the test automation engineering, all the eligibility criteria. Okay, so you have to click on, you have to fill all the details that is related. But let's discover about the eligibility criteria. Okay, in the MSc only CSIT is eligible, but in the case of BE BTech all branches is eligible. ME MTech, no active backlog. You should have complete your relevant degree. Okay, your highest qualification only will be considered. Candidate should have appeared for the Accenture recruitment interview in the last 3 months. Okay, so must apply for this opportunity. Okay, and if you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. I will share each and every update for this hiring soon in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.